Presenting the Allcut Cutxpert 3185 magnetic drilling machine by Allcut Mag Drills, designed for precision and durability, catering to professionals for efficient drilling. The 2-speed gearbox enables efficient drilling for different tasks with an 1800-watt motor and electronic speed control for strong performance. With a Morse Taper 3, this machine provides remarkable versatility. It boasts a twist drilling capacity of up to 31 mm, making it perfect for tackling challenging tasks with ease. This machine has an 85 mm annular cutting capacity for demanding drilling tasks, featuring precision and efficiency for professionals needing high performance and reliability. With the ability to tap threads up to M24, this machine provides exceptional precision and versatility. Designed for ease of use, it handles demanding projects with ease. Featuring a strong electromagnet, a wide range of applications, and a rigid steel slide, the Allcut Cutxpert 3185 offers durability and reliability for even the most demanding projects. Cut time. Cut cost. Cut smart. That's Allcut.